Pro Se Legal School. Welcome to the People's Ring. I'm Coach Neighbors, and tonight's video and tonight's live stream, we've got some really hot stuff to get to talk about tonight. So we're just going to get started on the program. Now, I created a new package, the Demand, the Strike, the Notice of Appearance package. And this package is pretty much what it's one of the things. It's the second thing, the second three things. There's two things that I'm going to be filing in my case against the Municipal Court Judge, Mr. Christopher E. Kopecki, and the city of Lawrence, and a few other people. But right now, we're just having fun. We're not in no hurry. One of the things that I figured out is that when you don't run down there and kiss their ass and do a bunch of stuff, they have a little bit of a problem. So I didn't go down there. I didn't sign the ticket. I didn't run my happy ass down there and sign none of their stuff. I didn't go to the. Now I called them and I provided my notice of claim and all of that, but they're just ignoring all that because they don't know how to go forward with their bullshit when you come from an unconventional path over here and climb over there. Yeah, I don't need to come in the door. The door's over there. Wait. The door's over there. I don't need to come in the door to the thingy. I can just climb over the top or come up to whatever. So, so they're having a little trouble figuring out. I think they're having a little trouble figuring out, number one, what their game plan is going to be. Okay, because what they're used to is the same shit. And then all of them kissing each other's butt to make sure they kick your ass. That's what they're used to. Okay, but that's not the program that we got going on right now. So they're not used to this other program. And this ain't my first rodeo. I already beat their ass down in 2017. They started harassing my family in 2006. I don't want to go through all of that, but that was we've been doing this for a minute, and I don't I don't like getting punched in the face. So this is what we're doing. So I put together the this is the pleading standard lawsuit. Well, it's just a document that I put together to challenge any judge's ruling, because the judges, when they rule on your stuff, they do not provide a fact of finding and a conclusions of law. So if they don't provide those things, then you don't have a damn thing to appeal on. Your appeal is shit because you don't have those things. So an appeal is something you do in a judicial process. You're not in a judicial process because you have no rights. You had no rights. You're an administrative process. And that's how that rolls. So this is like the first of the new line of documents that I'm structuring, to allow you guys to knock their ass out at the gate. Oh, this is the new one. This is the one I put together, and the documents in this package is what I'm using. Are some of the documents I'm using in the second set of documents that I'm filing in my case. Demand to strike the notice of appearance because, well, actually, mine is structured different. I structured this so demand to strike the notice of appearance because that's the way the document was originally structured. But what I struck. I'm striking the judge's order, the bench warrant. So the reason I'm putting this out there this way is because in this program, you got a whole bunch of options. Your options are only limited to your lack of creativity or your fear. Pretty much. So I changed this demand to strike to a demand to strike the judge's order because the judge is not registered with the judge has not registered with FARA, the Foreign Agent Registration Act, the judge in violation of the Foreign Agent Registration Act. And that act is a federal law that was enacted in 1938, and it's still a law. So they're not going to want to talk about that. This is how you say, fire in the hole. And so I made this available. And so whenever you're going with the demand to strike, you're supposed to add your temporary restraining order for the judge. So actually, the attorney general is supposed to add a temporary restraining order, but the attorney general's on the payroll, and they ain't trying to do nothing to their brethrens. So I structured my temporary restraining order. It's the one in the package, the one to block the state from receiving federal funding. Yeah, that's the one. In the separation clause in the Constitution, the federal government can block the state from receiving federal funding if they violate your due process or your Fifth Amendment right of the state nationals. And so, so when the judge denies that, then you just want to file your 42 against the judge's ass. It don't matter whose ass gets sued. And so that's how we do that. Now, before we go any further, I want to extend an invitation to any asshole attorneys who would like to come on the show. I'll send you a link, and you can sit up there in the corner, right up there, and you can explain to people why you think my program is crazy and why you think that it don't work, or if you're one of the new people like Mr. Kopecky, I'm pretty sure that's you. So it's funny how it goes. Whenever I focus on somebody's ass because they're in my face, I get a new person on my YouTube channel asking stupid shit like, this guy's talking about suing everybody, and he's never showed that he sued anybody, and he says blah, 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 blah. Who got time for that shit? Okay? Here's the thing. If you want to talk shit, give me a call. Give me a call or email me. I'll send you the link, and you can bring your happy ass right here, and you can talk your shit right here with me, not behind my back over there, hiding behind your wife's freaking account, your kid's account. I don't know. You don't need to do that. Bring your happy ass out here just like me. I ain't hiding behind nobody's shit. Bring your happy ass out here and talk shit. Otherwise, you can shut the hell up, okay? Because I'm not an attorney. I ain't saying no. I'm a legal coach. I teach people how to get it done. And if you're wondering if the people that are happy that I'm teaching, come to the stream. Gino, how's things going with you? In the last stream, there was several people here that I have maybe 10 or 11 review videos that have been posted. The real people telling the value that they found in the program. So, and on my website, I have a bunch of reviews that I copy and pasted on there from Google My Business account before the attorneys got my account shut down because they didn't have a sign in my damn yard. I don't need a sign now. And I don't need Google My Business. Funny how it goes, okay? You get punched in the face. You find a bunch of other ways to get shit done. And that's what we do here. It's called the non-conventional program. You're welcome. So, Mr. Kopecky, if you want to bring your happy ass on the show, you're welcome. Send me a call, give me a call, email, whatever, and we'll set it up. Because I'm sure people love to hear what your ass got to say about how you violating the rights of the black people in the community, or probably everybody. I don't know. I know you violate my rights, and I'm black, so we're gonna start there. Reviw Justice, the Book of Real. Welcome to the show tonight. Thank you. Oh, all right, Philip. You got the ass against the rope. So there you go, Mr. Attorney Man, wanting to know whatever. So here's and this is what I told him. Okay, when people send me stupid shit like that, I'm just gonna tell you, go do your homework. Okay, go do your damn homework because I ain't doing shit. I'm not the one doing none of that. All I do is make the fire that people need to stick in their face. Okay, because most people don't have the years and years and years and the opportunity to communicate with the many people in my first couple of coaching groups on Facebook to help me put no, but I do and I did and here we are. So people that want to come in talking shit, you can sit back there and yak all you want to, okay, but don't get the hell in the way because somebody gonna step on your back, okay, or on your face. And it might be my size 16. You never know. Thank you, Philip. And as you can see, I got it coming. I posted the the new document. You guys can check it out. Welcome, Cameron. It's no apologies necessary, man. You got to get it when you can, and it's always recorded, so you don't really miss nothing. Welcome to the show. We ain't making nobody run laps today unless they're Mr. Kopecky's ass. No, Gino. If you're suing the state, then the state judge can't do shit. The state attorney. Oh, wait. What you need to do is you need to add the bar association to your shit. Okay, and you don't do an amendment. If you go to the civil rules, the federal civil procedure, and look up how to amend, and scroll down to the bottom, way the hell down here about that little tiny ass number, you'll see something that says supplemental pleading. Read that. A supplemental pleading you can file in a case anytime, and you don't have to ask their ass for shit. Mm-hmm. There are a couple of conditions. One, now I'm going to tell you, but your ass better go read it because I may leave something out, okay? You know how I roll. There are a couple of conditions. One, you have to add a party or account or both, and they have to be connected to the original reason why you're there. So if you want to change something, you can add the clerk's ass to your shit, or another asshole from the law firm, or the judge's deputy, or the attorney's wife. Oh, that's a hot one. Yeah, that's a hot one. Now, if you do that, you need to make sure you add the attorney's property to your damages. And if the attorney's wife is a signer on the property, then you get to add her ass to, yeah, I do a counterclaim, add their ass to their stuff if you got time. Yep. Oh, yeah, we about to have fun. Yeah, no, but Gino, no, nobody from the state can. If you're suing the judge, all of the people from the state are the judge's buddies, so that's gonna be a problem. I'd write a letter to the judge and let him know that you're waiting for their federal attorney to contact you. Then when the fellow attorney gets on there, I'll teach you how to smack his ass and make him go sit down. So the whole goal in my program, well, the number one goal is get your deed out of the damn office or stay the hell out of jail. Okay, that's number one goal. Okay, but the way we achieve that is by just smashing their ass in the face a whole bunch of times because they ain't going to listen to nothing that you say. They ain't gonna listen to nothing that you say. But you know what? When the attorney takes his or her ass home and the attorney's spouse is up in their damn face, they might listen to something they got to say. Okay, so let's get on with what we're talking about here tonight. So I got where is it? So yeah, got this right here. Um, it got returned from Officer Dalbert. You can see right there. I circled it. Yeah, and put it right on there. Yeah, yeah, yeah. He refused it. Oh, yeah, he refused it. And so one of my friends said, "Yeah, he showed you." Oh, I'm like, yeah, dude. I think you're talking without thinking. That's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking you're talking without thinking. Okay, because I've been doing this a long time, and I know you don't think this is the first time someone don't want to take my stuff. Okay, so yeah, y'all know we about to have fun with this shit. So there's a couple of things that I do when people don't want to take my stuff. So and we're gonna go over them, and this is going to and I'm also going to share with you how to force the court to move forward, even when the parties don't want to accept your shit. Okay, we're gonna cover that tonight, and I'm going to give you an update on the beatdown that I'm giving these dudes over here. So, well, I'll give you the update right now. I ain't heard nothing from them. I went down there and recorded a video at the police station today out in front, about 3 or 5 minute video. I was right next to my car, so I could jump in and take off. Right? No, I'll be like, throw me the cuffs, dude. I'll put them on. And then I'm going to see how many people I can get the hell out of y'all's jail when y'all drag my happy ass up in there. So come on and get me. No, they didn't come out and get me. So I did my little video. And I haven't filed the new package that I put together yet. My friend caught a deer, got a deer, had it, yeah. And so I've been a little busy doing some other stuff. But you know what? What I'm figuring out is that if you don't run down there and sign their shit and kiss their ass and do all that stuff, then it jams up the program. It jams up the program. Right now, I don't have a prosecutor that I'm aware of. The only thing that was signed was the bench warrant, and it was signed by the judge. And the only other thing that I'm aware of in the case that's signed is the citation that was signed by the officer. So Officer Daubert and Judge Kopecki are working together to get me, yeah. So, okay, so the number one thing I like to do, I'm thinking if Mr. Sean Daubert don't want to accept my my mail, maybe he'll accept it from his neighbors. Oh, yeah. So this shit is a matter of public record. I can send it to all of his neighbors and have his neighbors go take it down to his ass. I don't know. Mr. Dauber, is that what we need to do? Because that's what I'm doing already. I just want to tell you. I bought a whole bunch of envelopes for greeting cards. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna sign Merry Christmas. I'm suing your ass. And I'm going to send him to all of his neighbors. So I figured maybe he'll accept that shit from his neighbors. Okay, so yeah, that's the first thing I do, just because I'm a shithead. How's that? I'm an asshole. Yeah, to be in my program, you need to have a shitty attitude. Mm-hmm. So y'all can see, you know who I am. Okay, sorry. My kids told me to stop doing that. Oh, okay. I don't listen to them either very much. I do listen to them a little bit, but not very much. Okay, let's get started here. So this segment was created when Officer Sean Dauber refused to accept my document, and that I'm adding to the case. So that's the first thing that I like to do if the party don't want to accept the shit. Send stuff over to the neighbors and let the neighbors take it over. I think you'll probably take it from the neighbors, because if you don't, the neighbors might open. Oh, so let's move on. That's the number one thing I like to do, because I have a lot of fun with that one. Now, the other thing that I like to do, I like to coach people to do, is to place your court filings in the public record. It costs like $10. They stamp this little thing on them. I like to place them in the public record before I file them in court, because now it's in comments, and I haven't read all the stuff on that. I still have to do that, but that's important to do. It also interferes with their ability to freely manipulate your shit. There you go. That's the best I can do with that. The other thing that you can do is have the documents mailed to their place of employment, or serve them at their place of employment. Yeah, they don't like. See, so what you're learning here is how to embarrass their ass and let other people see the facts and what's going on. And so that's kind of one of the things that we do with the facts that we shove in their face. Whenever I use process, I use people from out of the area, because the players in the area all have been playing together, and when they'll call them and tell them, "Hey, I'm about to bring this fire." So I usually hire process servers from out of the area, and I pay them double. I tell them, "Look, these people are going to be a pain in the ass because I'm suing the judge's ass or whatever. Do you want the job? I'll pay you double. Except I want the shit served tomorrow. I ain't trying to hear this bullshit." And when you come at them like that, they're either yes, we got it, or no, we don't. Because here's the thing. If they tell me, yes, I got it, and it don't get done, well, I'm I can be a little grumpy when you're getting in my way when I'm punching somebody in the face. So that's the last thing that these dudes want to do, is piss off the wrong person. So, and I don't really have a problem with that, because I give them extra if it's hot, and if I'm serving the judge, because they already know, and then I ask them if they want the job or not, and then I let them know that we have a contract, right? We have a verbal contract that you're going to get this job done. So now I structured the demand to strike, and the TRO goes along with that. I think I included TRO in most of the packages, and you want to use TRO. Also in this package is the notice of recusal. So, and my name is still on that shit. So you guys just change that when you're doing your, what you got to do, replace the red font. I haven't had a chance to do all of that because these people are making me do this stuff for myself. So if they're gonna make me do this shit for myself, then I can't file the same stuff that y'all filing. I gotta file some beefed up stuff, and then y'all get a chance to file. Because I want to make sure that I'm having fun. Y'all know I need to have fun over here, because I'm telling y'all I have to have fun. They ain't gonna do me no good if I ain't having fun. So yeah, I'm having fun. Now, I did make the video showing them what's coming. I actually opened up the document and I showed them most of the document. I don't care. I want them to see. And they tell me, "Oh, well, no, I don't want to show them." No, dude, if you don't want to show them your stuff, you need to get another program, okay? Because in my program, we're sticking the shit in their face. Let them know what I'm sticking in their face. I'll tell them when I'm coming to file it. And if they can stop me, I'd rather them stop me now than weeks down the road, because I don't want to show whatever. No. In their conventional program, that's the way you do that shit. and you hold your hand, you keep your hand on the table, you keep your cards hid over here, whatever, until you get to court. And then the judge steps on your ass and throws your shit out. It's done. You gotta tell me if I'm wrong, because I've been there. It was a long time ago. Don't get me wrong. Ow. So you guys need to go check out that new lawsuit package. It's on sale right now. That package is going to be the second document in the new class of documents that I'm starting to put together because, well, for me, I like to beat their ass down slow and make them crawl over there or whatever, you know. But some of y'all want to punch their ass out on the knockout at the gate. And I can do that too. I just like it the other way around. But since it's not me doing the punching over there or the kicking, some people want to knock their ass out and kick them the hell while they're down. I'm down with that. As long as the kicking get done. So this document, this package that I just put together, I'm filing in my case is going to be the second package that I'm putting together that is supposed to take them out at the gate. And it's on sale right now. There you go, Gino. You guys, by the way, Gino's ex-veteran, and so we want to thank him for his service. Our military people don't get near what they should for what they sacrifice. Montwake. I didn't know how to say your name. I don't. If you're in bankruptcy court, you need to sue. You need to get the hell out of that shit and sue them people in bankruptcy court along with the people in doing the foreclosure. Okay. No, my strategy. Bankruptcy court is a fake ass court. It's like a municipal court. They get their jurisdiction from the city ordinance and their own bullshit. So you're wasting your time in bankruptcy court. In bankruptcy court, they're going to roll you around. They're going to require that you disclose. You're going to pull your pants down. I'm sorry, I'm just going here, okay? They're going to require that you disclose all of your financial information, all of your assets, all of your stuff, everything. And then they're going to decide what they're going to take from you and what they're going to leave with you. And most people, when you get done doing that stupid shit, come out with a higher payment than you had before. And they don't tell you this. When you do that shit, now you're on a contract, not a mortgage. So if you default on the payments, they can take your shit without going through the court process and all this other shit that they're doing already. The attorney don't tell you none of that. So I'm going to help you out. Anytime that you're in a process with an attorney, throw your shit in the yard. Attorneys are not going to help you in foreclosure because their buddies down the street are doing the same shit and they're helping their but they get each other. Yep. And the attorney that you paid automatically get a percentage of what they steal from your ass for throwing your ass under the bus in the end, plus what they steal from your ass for the fake help. And if you're a criminal court and you take the plea, the attorney that you paid is going to get a $3,500 assistance of counsel bonus as soon as you sign that shit. And that's why they got to tell you you need to sign this. You're not going to see your family. Your grandkids are going to be grown and have grandkids. Oh, yep. That's why, because they get a bonus when you sign that shit. Hey, Missy. Welcome to the show tonight. So what did you nickname it? The mushroom cloud. Yeah, somebody called that one of the packages the nuclear package, the nuclear reaction. I don't know. I'm still thinking about naming my new package something. Yeah, that's nice, I'm glad you're still, hanging in there, man, because I was a little worried about you. They're still getting started out of the gate. But once you get rolling, you find out it's not that hard. You just gotta learn what's on the paper. Anytime you communicate those assholes, used to be like talking off the paper. I tell people to call them. I have people write scripts from the paper, from the lawsuit, and ask them. Ask them for the 6 missing things. Ask them how the hell they're doing this when the statute that they're using to foreclose on you is not a valid law. Doesn't have an action clause, doesn't have a title, doesn't have a body, don't have shit. Yeah, you want to fill up their voice machine. You want to make them think your ass is crazy so they don't want to have your ass in the hearing. Yep. They got so many people that don't know what to do or too scared to do anything that they don't have time to screw around with y'all asses sticking my shit in their face. I'm just saying. Yep. This is nice. People are getting the hang of this. Yeah, we just got average people. Okay, that's bullshit. Y'all ass ain't average. Okay, the average people can do it, but y'all ain't average. Okay, y'all some assholes. Welcome to my team. Do you know who I am? Okay, sorry. I'm done with that. Hey guys, thank you for the value of sharing your time. I'll see you guys in the next live stream. Bam! Get that punch in.